Okay, let's install a wick on a Heineken 24-ounce mini keg. This is Krazy Glue. Start right down here and put a good big bead right on it. Take your wick and lay it right in the bead. Ooh, Krazy Glue, gotta love it. Call it Krazy Glue for nothing. And let that set there for a minute or two until it bonds. Okay, once you've got a good solid bond, there. Now, give her another dab of Krazy Glue right there. Don't be bashful with the Krazy Glue. Do about a 2-inch length. Put the cap on your glue so it doesn't spill. Bring your wick up around and seat it right in the glue. And once again, let it set there a good long time till you're sure you've got it anchored in good shape. Okay, see, that's hooked right there, so cut it off right there. Then wipe your end down nice and tight. Put a little glue on it. Take the tip of the applicator and wipe it down. And you're done. You can put a little on this end too if you want to help anchor it a little bit. And that should be everything you need to install a wick on a pot. There you go. I'm Tinny, Mini Bowl Design. Have a great day. Bye-bye.